Excitement is building among tech enthusiasts and content creators as fresh prototype photos of the upcoming DJI Pocket 4 have surfaced online, offering the first real glimpse at DJI's next-generation Pocket gimbal camera. The leaked image, reportedly captured during a promotional video shoot in Barcelona, has quickly spread across social platforms, fueling speculation about what the company has in store. Interestingly, DJI has remained completely silent. There's been no official teaser or announcement, adding even more intrigue to the buzz surrounding the leak. For years, the DJI Pocket series has been the go-to choice for vloggers, travelers, and videographers who crave cinematic stabilization in a compact form. The Pocket 3 earned global praise for its smooth 4K recording and portability, becoming especially popular in Japan's thriving creator community. The leaked image provides a remarkably detailed look at the Pocket 4 prototype. Subtle design refinements, including a slightly altered button layout, suggest DJI is focused on both usability and comfort. The button layout under the display has changed slightly in the new model. On the Pocket 3, this area only displayed the Osmo logo, which had no functional purpose. However, in the Pocket 4, DJI has replaced the logo with 2 additional physical buttons. These buttons are believed to be linked to the rumored dual camera setup, potentially allowing users to switch between main and secondary cameras, toggle focal lengths, or activate a split screen or dual view mode. Positioned for convenient thumb access, the new buttons reflect DJI's focus on giving creators faster, more intuitive control during filming, reducing reliance on touchscreen menus. Further digging reveals no official DJI link to the studio, hinting that it may belong to a freelance photographer or small production crew, a strategy DJI has used before for early promotional material. Meanwhile, locals in Barcelona have reported sightings of a possible DJI promo shoot, aligning with the leak's backdrop. If true, DJI is likely testing the Pocket 4's stabilization and performance in dynamic outdoor conditions, a fitting preview for a camera designed to capture life on the move.
The DJI OSMO Pocket 4 stands out with its refined design and impressive portability. Weighing approximately 116 grams without accessories, it's noticeably lighter than the Pocket 3, which came in at 179 grams. The new model measures 145 by 38.3 by 30 millimeters, making it taller, slimmer, and thinner overall. A clear step toward a more compact and travel-friendly profile. Its sleeker construction and ergonomic refinement make it especially appealing for vloggers and creators who value comfort and ease of use during long shoots or on-the-go filming sessions. The document also contains strict battery and safety guidelines, suggesting DJI is entering final testing phases before certification. From warnings about overheating and disassembly to firmware update notes, it reads like a manual ready for production. That alone signals how close the product might be to launch, potentially late 2025 or early 2026. But what's fascinating is what the document doesn't say. There's no mention of the camera specs, the true heart of the Pocket line. That silence is deafening. No word about a dual camera system, no 50-megapixel sensor, no 4K 240 frames per second capability, and no mention of the rumored ActiveTrack 7.0. These were all previously linked to an August 2025 prototype leak featuring asymmetrical lenses. So, has DJI gone minimalist, or are they hiding something bigger behind the NDA curtain? Pocket 4 versus Pocket 3, the physical evolution. When comparing the DJI OSMO Pocket 3 to the leaked Pocket 4, the first thing that jumps out is the drastic reduction in weight. The Pocket 4 drops nearly 35%, down from 179 grams to 116 grams, a huge leap for handheld creators who film for long stretches. Its dimensions are refined too, standing slightly taller at 145 millimeters, but slimmer and narrower overall, giving it a more balanced, ergonomic feel. The Pocket 3 was known for its rotatable screen and 1-inch sensor gimbal head, features that gave it power but also bulk. The new, streamlined Pocket 4 frame suggests DJI has re-engineered the device to optimize stability, comfort, and portability, perhaps shifting some components internally or using a lighter gimbal architecture. If this is true, DJI might finally have struck the perfect balance between pro-level capability and true pocket-sized design. What it all means. The appearance of a finalized safety and battery document is no small event. It indicates that DJI has moved past the conceptual phase into hardware testing, a stage that usually happens just months before launch. The reduced weight might represent a base model, with a heavier Pro variant, the one rumored to feature dual lenses and 8K video, coming later. Meanwhile, DJI is reportedly clearing out Pocket 3 inventory, hinting at preparation for the Pocket 4's arrival. Pricing is expected to land between $699 and $799, depending on region and configuration. Battery life could extend to around 180 minutes, with improvements to low-light performance and integrated audio systems. A clear message to rivals like Insta360, GoPro, and Vivo that DJI isn't stepping back from the compact camera race. So, while DJI remains silent, the leaks are speaking loudly. The Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just an upgrade. It's a signal that DJI's next leap in handheld innovation is already on the runway. Something small, sleek, and surprisingly powerful is coming. And this time, it might just redefine what pocket camera really means.
The Osmo Action 6 isn't just another refresh. It's a bold statement from DJI. The headline upgrade? The DJI Osmo Action 6 is rumored to upgrade from the Action 5 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor to a larger 1/1.1-inch sensor, roughly 40% bigger, offering improved low-light performance and dynamic range. A new variable aperture ranging from f/2.0 to f/4.0, a game-changer for an action camera. Unlike the Action 5 Pro's fixed f/2.8, this feature gives creators true manual exposure control, something previously reserved for premium mirrorless or cinema cameras. In bright, sun-drenched scenes like beaches or snowy slopes, narrowing to f/4.0 keeps your footage smooth and cinematic, without the hassle of ND filters. When the light fades, at sunset or in dim environments, opening to f/2.0 brightens your shot and reduces noise, delivering crisp, clean visuals. It's the kind of flexibility that filmmakers and advanced users have been waiting for in a compact form. Design-wise, DJI has made thoughtful refinements. The familiar pill-shaped element beneath the front screen is gone, replaced by a minimalist white square beside the Action logo. This subtle change isn't just cosmetic. The color temperature sensor, once hidden in the O of the Action logo, likely lives there now. The result is a sleeker, more cohesive front design. A tiny new dot next to the logo hints at a possible new component, perhaps an ambient light sensor for automatic screen brightness, or a discrete microphone hole. If it's the former, this would be DJI's first move to separate display brightness control from the main camera sensor. Overall, DJI's philosophy shines through. Evolution, not revolution. Every tweak feels deliberate, every detail refined.